How do you improve on the world's most successful scanners? By redefining what's possible. Introducing the Ricoh FI8000 series, redefining the standard for business scanners. Our groundbreaking clear image capture technology offers market-defining image quality. And combined with PaperStream IP's image optimization, clear image capture delivers industry-leading OCR accuracy rates, as well as faster, lower-cost file access and storage. The FI8000 series can easily capture the widest range of document types without needing to separate them into different batches, from 20 to 465 GSM, cards or booklets up to 7mm thick, and even passports. As the natural evolution of the world's most trusted scanning solution, the FI8000 series harnesses the power of 32 new patents to deliver innovation that your organization can rely on. Automatic separation control uses state-of-the-art technology to consistently provide the perfect feed, while intelligent sonic paper protection combines with the world's first image monitoring function to ensure documents are safely captured. The FI8000 series offers an unsurpassed user experience with features such as enhanced multi-feed detection and overscan control, preventing unnecessary stoppages. The result? Organizational productivity without equal. Its scalability also means the FI8000 series is perfectly positioned to deliver long-term strategic advantage and sustainable value throughout your digital transformation journey. The Ricoh FI8000 series, redefining the standard for business scanners.